Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good at your places. Okay, so today we are going to start with our English text session, in which we have already understood what the poem wants to tell us, and we have done the dictation words, we have done the word meanings, as well as make sentences of the same chapter. So today we are going to start with the question and answers in the copy. So children, the work we are going to start, you have to do it from the same page, leaving a line after make sentences. So you have to leave one line after make sentences, and then you have to start with question and answers. So I am going to write the question and answers on the board, as well as I will explain you what the question as well as the answers say. Okay, so you have to write them in your copies very beautifully in a neat handwriting. So take out your pencil, erasers and all the stationery you require for doing your work, children, quickly. So children, these are your two questions that are given in your workbook, and we are going to do the same in our copies. So the first question you have to start after you have done the make sentences. So leaving a line after the make sentences, first of all you will write question and answers. Then you will write the first question that says, explain the following lines from the poem. These lines are picked from the poem, and they are asked you that you have to tell them what did you understand by these lines. So the first line is, they do not harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows. So the first line that tells me that they do not harm. Who is termed as they over here? To whom they have referred they? They means the trees, because we are learning the chapter tree. So they do not harm. That means trees do not harm anybody. They simply grow. They just stand at one place and they grow. They provide us fruits. They provide us shade. And spread a shade for sleepy cows. And those animals who want to rest can go under the shade of a tree, the shadow that trees provide from the light, the rays of the sun, the hot rays of the sun. So trees provide a shade to them. So the answer to this question is, this line tells us that trees do not harm anyone. They grow and provide shade to the animals. They provide shadow to rest for the animals. So what we understood by these lines, that trees do not harm anybody. They simply grow, and with their open branches and lots of green leaves, they spread a shade. They give shadow to the sleepy cows and other animals. Now after leaving a line, you will write the next line that we have to explain. What says, and when the moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. So I told you, children, moon floating in the sky. When this moon comes up in the sky, the moon comes up during the night time. They hum a drowsy lullaby. Hum means making a low and pleasant sound. Drowsy means sleepy, and lullaby means a very smoothing sound to our ears, which help the babies to sleep. So lullaby in Hindi is known as lori, I told you. So this line tells us that during the night time, that is moon floating on the sky, that is during the night time, trees make a pleasant sound, a very pleasant and soothing sound that calms our souls. Okay, that helps us to calm ourselves. वो हमें बहुत calm down करने में और बहुत relax feel करने में help करता है. So trees make a very pleasant sound with blowing wind. I told you the wind blows, the wind passes through the leaves of the trees and that produces a very pleasant sound. So trees make a pleasant sound with the blowing wind which helps the babies to sleep. So that wind helps the baby to sleep because that is sort of a lullaby for the babies. The pleasant sounds you must have seen in movies also. है ना? There is very much strong wind blowing and that is producing so pleasant and soothing sound. So that helps a baby to sleep. So trees make a pleasant sound with the blowing wind helping the babies to sleep. Okay. So these are the two lines that you have to explain from the poem. Now we will move to question number 2. So children, this is the second and the last question of the chapter that asks you what is the theme of the poem, that what does the poem wants to tell us. What does the poem want to tell us? So the theme of the poem is that we should plant more trees. हमें बहुत सारे trees plant करने चाहिए as they give us a lot of things necessary for our life because they give us wood. From wood we make our houses, so we get shelter. They give us food. They produce fruits, vegetables, all the things, the pulses that comes from plants and trees. So we should plant more and more trees because they give us lot of things. They give us fresh air. Trees give us oxygen to breathe in. So all these things necessary for our life are given by trees. So we should plant more and more trees. So children, this was all about your chapter. Here we end with copy work of chapter number 2. So after doing the work, you will draw a red margin over here and you will properly, in a very good and neat handwriting, you will complete your work. Okay. So this is all for today. We shall meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.